That's so funny.
Good boy, Rio. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Good boy, honey. Are you building a nest? Good boy. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
He gets his head in there, his legs go bananas.
Came and took him out of the house, and Jesus took him to his own house.
You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute, baby.
That's so
You're
funny.
so cute,
He's in
Rio.
heaven. He's in heaven.
Right? Oh,
look at
he's
him.
getting stuff. He's making a nest.
He is.
Oh, how cool is that?
That's so cute. It's so
He's
cute.
digging up the dry dirt.
Oh,
That's probably how it lifts up the little grass.
look at that. That's so funny.
There's my baby. There's my baby boy.
So funny.
Oh, look at his
He's doing
tail.
like what my dog does.
Look at
This is chapter 16. And when the rulers of the synagogue and the priests
Wow, that is cool.
That is so funny. Look at it. He's just in heaven.
they fasted